Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can add your EBT card to Apple Pay. So first of all, what you need to remember is that it is possible to add your EBT card to Apple Pay. However, it is important to note that not all states currently have this feature. So you cannot accept those EBT card benefits and add it to Apple Pay if the current state you're in the US doesn't allow for it. But if you can add your EBT card and if it is eligible for use with Apple Pay, what you can do is you can add it from the Wallet app on your iPhone or any other iOS device. For this, you will open the Wallet app first of all on your iPhone, and from there, you'll tap on the add card button. So just the same way like you add cards. From there, you will follow the on-screen instructions and you will add your EBT card and you will complete the setup process. So the main thing to note is just that some states in the US do not support this feature and some do. And you can only be able to add this if your state approves of this feature. Then it'll be like any other card. You will add the details through wallet, and once your EBT card is added to Apple Pay, you can use it normally as you'd use any other card. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.